So I had some people that were complaining about, the rifles that I've been reviewing were a little on the expensive side. They wanted me to find something that was a little more, let's say, budget friendly. So I did a little shopping, and what I ended up with is this guy right here. This is a Beeman Underlever PCP, PreCharged Pneumatic rifle in .22 caliber. I got this on Amazon, and by applying for an Amazon credit card. Now, I'm not affiliated with Amazon. I don't get anything for recommending them or anything. I'm just telling you where I bought it, how I bought it. It was on sale for $280. And because I applied for and used the Amazon credit card when I bought it, I got a $60 credit. So I ended up paying, I think with tax, shipping, and everything, $245 for this rifle. Now let's see what's in the box. Okay, of course we have the rifle. It comes with this Beeman scope, 4x32 fixed scope. I'm not sure what the quality on that is. These will be the scope rings. And it comes with, if I don't drop it, 2 mags, single shot tray, 2 single shot trays, and some wrenches for doing adjusting and whatnot. There's also an owner's manual in here under the rifle itself. Just a quick flip through the owner's manual. Of course, they have all the typical warnings, because these can cause serious injuries. Always want to follow the warnings. Got more safety precautions, and then we get into air rifle terminology. It also gives some information about the rifle here. So this is available in .177 caliber, which will be the model 1357. I have the model 1358, which is .22 caliber. They list the weight at basically 7.5 pounds, overall length of 32 inches. Just more things, shooting positions, troubleshooting, whatnot. Here's how to fill with air. Oh, and it comes with a degassing tool, which is unusual. But if you wanted to work on the rifle, you would want to degas it so that you're not working on basically something with a high pressure air source that could vent and cause you problems. The power is adjustable. They tell you here how to tune it. It does not come with any open sights, standard sights. You would have to add those. You could get a set off of Amazon or eBay or at your local sporting store for AR that will sit on there and work just fine. Aperture sights, and then here is, it does come with that Beeman scope. Information about the trigger, and then don't modify, and more safety tips. Safety tips, care, storage, cleaning, etc., so forth, and registration for your weapon. Nice. Okay, but let's see. Let me see if I can get the rifle out of plastic. I'm working one-handed here, which seems like being a theme lately. Unfortunately, I injured my shoulder a couple days ago, and that doesn't help. All right, here we go. Stock is made of wood. Feels really nice. Got a pick rail on either side and the top. And your fill port is here, and it's just a regular, nice and sticky, Foster fitting, which is great. You don't need any special tools to fill it up. It has an air gauge on the other side. This is the safety. And for all the Marines out there, this is the trigger. This is what makes it go bang. Remember I said it was underlever cocking. Here's the cocking lever. Maximum fill pressure, 3,000 PSI. All right, I can't promise I will get the velocity figures for this today, but I'm going to try to. And I'll get the scope and everything mounted up on it, and we'll see what this little bad boy can do. I mean, for less than $250, I don't think you can go wrong. It's got pretty good reviews, and I look forward to getting some range time with it. Thanks for watching, guys.